Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from Tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having a great conversation with Melina. Melina, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Darren. Thank you for inviting me. My name is Melina Mafridu. I am a German tax advisor and certified advisor in international taxation. So I mainly advise clients who have cross-border issues, private individuals, but also companies, corporations, and so on. Always with the viewpoint of avoiding double taxation and, of course, to give the best structure for my client. And I'm thrilled that we talk today.
Great. But yeah, so to your point, assuming that, as he said, he worked in Portugal, Netherlands, the US, whatever, that assuming that he's filing returns for the income source there, it can offset, he can have foreign tax credits against what he's doing, what he's been charged as an employee to the German company.
Well, actually, in Germany, what is taxable in Germany is if you're getting a salary for the activity performed in Germany.
Right.
And if he performed his work in another country, being tax resident in another country, then of course 100% taxation in Germany is not the right way, so that you have to calculate only part of the income would be taxable in Germany. However, I was wondering, did the employer really know that he is working from somewhere else? Because usually the monthly payroll needs to consider already the split, because the other part, which is not taxable in Germany, would need to be taxed then in Portugal or maybe the Netherlands.
That's quite intriguing, and especially with his family being so we need to probably, in a case like this, we need to get a lot more facts
Yes,
to.
of course. When I'm answering those questions, then usually I suggest to have the first consultation or something like that to go through that and discuss it a bit more in detail.
Okay. Melina, if anyone wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do so?
You can find me at LinkedIn, but I think the best thing is to write me an email. I'm always in Zoom meetings and other meetings. Best to contact me via email. And I'm sure you will share my contact details so that everybody has my contacts. But I think that's the best way.
Fantastic.